Good morning. Today I will explain some plants, ones from Bogota and other ones from Spain. So the first ones are the ones from Bogota. They are popular apartments, popular in the sense that those apartments belong to the middle class. The binary relationships that I found are these ones. For example, the red one. So the red one is the private and hidden spaces. So, for example, the principal bedroom, the private bathroom, and the laundry. As we can see, they are spaces that, as guests, we cannot see. Also have the pink category, which I associated with the women spaces. I'm not saying that those places are for women in the sense that they have to be, but I choose that one because it, they are the places where we tend to find a woman, which is the kitchen and the laundry too. It's interesting because in two of the three plans we can see that the laundry and the kitchen are together. For example, here and here, but here it is separated, but also it is pretty near. So the third one is the green category, which is the public and visible space. So it is to say that the first thing that I guess sees is this space. So here's the entry, here too, and here too. So the first thing that we as a guest can see is the dinner room and the living room, as well here and as well here. So there are a relationship between gases and food, because here is the dinner table, and also it's pretty near to the kitchen. Another interesting thing is, for example, that here the balcony is visible, is public, but here it isn't, because it is near to it is close to the main bedroom. Now in Spain, I use some plants from popular houses in Spain. It is in Madrid, so those ones are a little more bigger than the other ones. Here I found another binary relationships. So in the red one, as well as in the others, are the private and hidden spaces. But here we can see that it's a little different, because here, well, here there are a space that the apartments don't have, which is like a kind of a kind of porch, which is private. So we can see that those spaces are private. For example, here, here, here too, which is related to the laundry. Here too. So there are another spaces which are private. For example, here, a bedroom, it's far from the entry, but it is not the main bedroom, because the main bedroom is this one, because it's the biggest, and also it has a private bathroom. But this one is pretty near to the entry, so it's different in that sense. Mm, but there are similarities. For example, that the public space, which is the red one, is the same as in Bogota's apartment, which is the dinner room and the living room. For example, here too, and the main bathroom too is public because it's pretty close to that space. Um, the another similarity is that one of the bedrooms is pretty far from the entry as well as on the Bogota's apartment. So if we take a look to the differences or the similarities, we can see that in Bogota, laundry and kitchen are together. So we may believe that they are together because it is easier to do those kind of homeworks if those spaces are together. But in Spain, laundry and kitchen are in different places. For example, as we can see here, this is the kitchen, and here is the place where laundry is done, and here too. For example, here it is also hidden the laundry space from the public. Also, we saw that the main bedroom is hidden in Bogota's apartment, but in Spain, the main bedroom is visible, as I was explaining here. And another differences is that in Bogota's apartment, the entry is pretty close to the dinner room and the living room, but in Spain, it is it has in common that is the living room too, but also the kitchen and one of the main bedrooms. For example, here, this one and this one. And also, in Spain, there is a space just for the family members. As I mentioned, the porch, which is just for the family members, or that it's a space which is pretty private.